Okay, down from our part 3 of the FABM1 series for the fourth quarter review. So, write the word increase or decrease to complete the sentence. Okay, tandaan nyo class, yung pattern na sinabi ko doon sa previous video ko. When we say debiting, ibig sabihin, depende yan kung asset yan or liabilities or owner's equity. Yung pinag-uusapan natin dito sa accounting equation. When we say crediting the salaries expense account, therefore, alam naman natin na salaries expense ay debit. So, therefore, pag nag-debit yan, increase yan. So, therefore, ang ilalagay mo dito, nasagot mo, ay decrease. So, therefore, the answer is decrease. Decrease the account. Because crediting the salaries expense will decrease the account. Okay, next. Ito, debiting the supplies will blank the account. Debiting. When we see supplies, that is asset. Normal nating dinidebit ang asset. Therefore, kapag ang asset ay na-debit mo, siya ay increase. Next. Okay. Debiting the accounts payable will blank the account. Debiting the accounts payable. Alam naman natin, pag dinebit natin yung liability account, therefore siya ay decrease. Huwag ka pong maglalagay ng increase dahil siya ay credit talaga. Hindi po siya debit. So, therefore, kapag debit yan, decrease the account. Next. Okay. Crediting the professional fees. Professional fees is part of your capital. That capital is, therefore, ang kanya normal balance ay credit. Kaya, crediting the professional fees will increase the account. Maliwanag. Okay. Next natin. Crediting the accounts receivable will blank the account. Crediting the accounts receivable. Accounts receivable is part of your asset. Therefore, it is not crediting. Instead, dapat debiting yan. But nakalagay ay crediting. Therefore, ikaw ay magdi-decrease. Bakit siya makikredit? Because, nagbayad sa iyo si customer mo. Kaya, yung accounts receivable account niya sa iyo ay mababawasan. Kaya, therefore, decrease yun sa part mo. Kasi, ikaw yung nagpautang. Nagbayad siya, kaya mababawasan na ang kanyang utang sa iyo. Okay, debiting the mortgage payable. Mortgage payable is part of your liability. Therefore, kapag ang liability natin ay na-debit, siya ay decrease. Decrease siya. Okay, number 7. Crediting the inventories will blank the account. Plus, crediting the inventories. Inventories is part of your asset. That asset, ang normal balance na ay debit. So, ibig sabihin, pag na-credit mo ang inventories mo, siya ay, what? Decrease. Kasi nga, nagbenta ka, kaya na-credit ang inventory account mo. So, therefore, you debit cost of goods sold and credit inventories. So, ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ka ng benta doon sa inventories mo, kaya kinikredit mo siya. O either return, kasi misira yung product mo. Pwedeng gano'n na mangyari. Number 8, debiting the drawings will blank the account. Therefore, debiting the withdrawal account is increase. Okay, increase the account. Crediting the supplies will, or supplies use will blank the account. Supplies use class, ginamit mo, therefore, that is part of your expense. That is crediting, dapat debiting siya, pero nag-credit siya dito, will decrease the account. Number 10, debiting the building will blank the account. Debiting the asset, that is non-current asset, building, it is increase. Ibig sabihin, nag-debit, bumili ka ng building, kaya na-debit mo yung account mo na yun.